In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add links to a Confluence page. By the end of this video, you'll know how to link to other Confluence pages, external websites, and online resources to make your documentation easier to navigate. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to edit and click Edit. Highlight the text you want to turn into a link. Then press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. A link dialog will appear where you can either paste an external URL or search for another Confluence page. Select the destination and press Enter to create the link. You can also insert a link by typing Link anywhere on the page and selecting the link option. From there, paste a web address or search for a Confluence page the same way. Another quick method is to copy a URL from your browser, highlight the text in Confluence, and simply paste the link. Confluence automatically converts the selected text into a clickable link. If you need to link to another Confluence page, just start typing its name in the search box and choose it from the suggestions. This is the fastest way to create internal links without copying URLs. Once you're finished adding your links, click Publish or Update to save your changes. And that's how to add links in Confluence. Thanks for watching.